Hey everybody, what's up? It's me, Timothy, and it's day 22 of my Vlogmas videos. How's everybody day going for them out there? Hope your days have been a good one so far. How's the weather for you? Well, our weather is cloudy, but it hasn't snowed yet. Not snowed yet, but it will. Yeah, we're supposed to get a winter storm coming our way. So I'm out and about doing my things here on my day 22 of my Vlogmas. Here at, ABC Warehouse, yeah. Gonna run in there and get Joe's Christmas present. I'm not gonna say what I'm getting them, but I'm gonna run in there and see if they got it. And if they do, well, I'll pick it up. But I will be talking to you after I get done in ABC Warehouse. Well, everybody, no luck at ABC Warehouse for what I was looking for Joe. I'm going to run over to Best Buy and see if I can find it over there. I'll see you over at Best Buy. Well, people, now I'm at Best Buy. So I'm going to run in there and see what I could find for Joe. I know what I'm going to get him, but hopefully I'll find it in there. I'll talk to you when I get out. See ya. Well, I got what I wanted to get for Joe. He'll be surprised. He will be surprised. I'm a good father. You guys will see an improvement in his videos. Count on it. Count on it. You will see improvement on his videos. All I have to say, you will see improvement on his videos. But now I gotta wander off and get me a couple other things, and I will be talking to you then. See ya. Hey everybody, what is up? It's me, Timothy. Okay. Let's do a fan mail. Yes, I got a fan mail. Doing fan mail. Got this in my P.O.Box. Let's see who sent this to me. Well, doing my fan mail on my Vlogmas. Peace on Earth. May peace, hope, and joy be yours this Christmas and throughout the new year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Noah 12. Hey, what? Noah 12. Thank you very much. I really, really appreciate it. And I want to wish you and yours a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope 2023 is a shining year for all you as well. But again, thank you, Noah. I really appreciate it. Wasn't that nice of Noah to do this, people? He lives in Michigan as well. He lives up in Matt. Rolex, Michigan. No, I don't know where that's at. Whereabouts is that? I never heard of that town before, Noah. Maybe you can let us know in the comment box. Where is that? Whereabouts? How close are? Where are you close to? I never heard of it. So that's why I'm asking. But again, Noah, thank you. Well, everybody, I will be talking to you in a short. But until then, see ya. Hey, everybody. What is up? What is up? What is up? It's me, Timothy. The one and only. Why don't you all join me to have a deluxe with cheese. This is from Ritzee, a place in our town called Ritzee. Haven't had Ritzee for a long time. Well, I thought I'd grab a Ritzee burger. Yeah, we used to have 2 Ritzees in my town, but one became a Chinese restaurant. And just got one open. Well, we used to have 3 of them. But just got one now. See, people are getting prepared for this winter storm that's supposed to hit us. And some businesses are starting to put salt on places. And I hope all of you have been enjoying my Vlogmases. I've been enjoying putting them up. For you guys. That salt truck's out already. And got salt in the back of his truck. It has been trying to spit snow, but nothing major. Nothing big or major. Got a good shake from Ritzee. Like I said, I haven't been to Ritzee for a long time. When I used to be a kid, I used to ride my bike to Ritzee a lot. Oh, why they gave me another straw? But, yep. And then they gave me another straw. Crazy. Ritzee, thank you for the other straw. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Ritzee, for the other straw. Oh, boy. Hey, everybody. What is up? Getting dinner ready here. Gonna be having some, gonna be whipping up some mac and cheese. I've been requested to do some mac and cheese. I'm gonna be whipping up some mac and cheese for dinner. I will come back and let you watch me for a bit. But until then, see y'all. Oh boy. Our snowstorm is coming. Yep. It's getting us. Oh boy. Any of you people out there in Michigan watching, please be safe. Don't want anything to happen. Alright, people. We'll add these elbow macaronis in. Let them cook for a bit, and I'll show you what to do next. Hey everybody, I am back, and let's see how these noodles are doing in here. Okay, they're done. Let's empty this. Okay. Now, get a knife here. I'm gonna add this cheese in here. Now, add some half and half. I hope a lot of you have been able to get to the store to get what you needed. I did. Add a little bit of more. Got enough cheese in there. Or do I need more milk? Nah. All right. And enough in there. And I will let you guys know how this is. Hey everybody, I'm back. And time for me to chow down on my macaroni and cheese. So, why don't you pull up a chair and join me to have some mac and cheese? And we'll just talk and ramble like we always do. How's your evening going? Hope your evening's been a good one.
Yeah, so Michael and I have been married for 18 years. We just had our anniversary, and they have 2 kids, Amos, who's 16, and Luke, who's...
Yeah, they got they just put on a alert today for Battle Creek and Kalamazoo.
We were gone for 60 days, cumulative.
That. People cannot park in the street. A snow emergency.
They're adults now, in their 20s. I am 3 years in the Navy.
It just went into effect today for Battle Creek and Kalamazoo. And I've been watching this bartender, and guess where he's from? Kalamazoo, Michigan. He was doing a series of making Christmas drinks. Need to let them know, hey, I watch you a lot. You got a good channel. Let them know where I'm from.
Sure, we can do that too. 2 X's. Hello to my vowel. A. Yeah, 2 A's. Sorry, I have to give it a wild card, Nicole.
Yeah, I told my son he might not be working tomorrow. Yeah, they might shut down the mall, our local mall tomorrow.
Oh, by a vowel. I.
Here come 2 I's. Anything else?
Oh, by another vowel. E.
What the heck? There's
Because they're trying to tell people stay off the roads.
whatever you want to do.
So our local mall might not get no business tomorrow.
N.
3 N's.
And you know, I feel sorry for people.
5 vowels. We don't try to solve it.
I'd like to solve
Well, go ahead.
that
That, you know, depend on DoorDash and that.
theory.
That they won't be able to get no DoorDash.
No, and you have to know what the daughter said. She's not telling you the whole story. We'll be right back.
It's never been easier to try out to be a contestant on Wheel. Solve fun puzzles from the comfort of your own home thanks to our brand new virtual audition. Go to wheeloffortune.com for details.
Norman, bad news. I never graduated from med school. But the good news is, it's the Xfinity Hello 2023 sale. Now hurry, and you can get Xfinity.
Yeah, small world, people. I want to say howdy to the guy from ABC Warehouse. I don't know if you watch my vlogs, but hey, thank you for watching my videos, my friend. I really, really appreciate it big time.
Click call or visit a store today. Surprise! New year. And where you sit down, it is a television camera.
Yeah, I went to ABC Warehouse today. Man, they were better than a doorknob. I couldn't believe it. That's how dead ABC Warehouse was today, people.
2022 new division preferred, $13.99 per month.
Major's broken. You win working.
You know, I just don't know how they survive. But people buy their furniture.
Not even the Department of Parking. President did. He's looking. No feeling of winning. Finding his space on the annual casino reward machine. The free-to-play game of casino gave the occurs you a chance to win a digital print in casino bonus.
Yeah, people buy their furniture.
To use like the following.
For back pain, I've always been a take 2 and call the morning good. But my new doctor recommended Salon-Pas. I get powerful, effective, and safe relief. Salon-Pas, it's good medicine.
The nice business.
I said to myself, I don't know where people are. They must have to do it online or something. Well, see, they added more furniture to the store at ABC Warehouse. When you walked in, right? Over here on this, well, on, it'd be on right-hand side, you would see a lot of other stuff like computers and stuff like that. Well, they removed those. That area and got furniture up in there now. It's like, wow, couldn't believe it. And I guess they don't sell video cameras there anymore like they used to.
Oh, by another vowel. A.
And I said, okay. Kind of crazy.
Is there an RID? There is. Two, actually.
And I went to Ritzee today, and they're not letting people come in and eat. You have to go through the drive-through. It's like, come on, people. 2020's gone. Let's move on. Get your business open for people to come in and enjoy. Maybe they want to come in and dine. But they don't, they're not letting people come in. I don't understand that. Why places like that won't let you come in? Just doesn't make sense. And then, like I said yesterday in my yesterday video about the Chinese restaurant I got food from, I asked that poor lady, I said, when are you going to start letting people come in here and eat? She said, well, lack of work. I said, lack of work? Nobody doesn't want to work. I said, well, that's crap. There's people out there that want to work, that wants to make a living. She said, well, and then she brought up these other things, like, oh, no. Now, if my old boss was running that place, he would open that and let people come in and eat. But he doesn't own it no more. Somebody else owns it. See, well, nobody doesn't know how to cook Chinese food. Chinese food? Well, come on, teach them. That's how you teach. That's how people learn. Crazy. And it's sad, too. It's sad. Because they used to do some good business. But not no more. They only do takeouts, and that's it. And they don't go through DoorDash or Grubhub. And that's sad, too. I would say. But yeah, we're starting to get our winter storm, and gonna just buckle down and chill for the rest of the evening, and watch some things on YouTube, and watch this dude from that does Disney parks, Corey Meets World, on YouTube. I watch him a lot. He does live streaming from the Disney parks on Thursday, so be watching that and just enjoying my evening. But I hope all of you enjoyed my day 22 of my Vlogmas. And if you did, people, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me, please? Go thumbs up on this video. If you're new and you came along this video, can you hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel? And check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell whenever I upload. You will be notified. But until my next Vlogmas video, they call me Vlogmas with Timothy. And this Vlogmas is over. Have a good one, and take care, everybody. And happy holidays.